Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to make some homemade flour tortillas. So let's get started. We need 4 cups of flour, so I've got my big bucket of flour here. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. Okay, we need a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of shortening. We need 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm using Redmond's real salt. We need 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. I like the Rumford baking powder, it's aluminum free. Okay, and I've got 1½ cups of warm tap water here. Okay, so we're gonna work in the shortening into this flour mixture first. We're just gonna squeeze it into the flour. That looks good. Just like this. Okay, now we're gonna pour our warm tap water in here. We're gonna give that a mix. Okay, we're gonna knead this for a few minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put this in our bowl. We're gonna cover our bowl and we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. See you in 20 minutes. Okay, we're going to cut our dough into 20 pieces. And I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, that looks good. So we've got all our dough balls back in the bowl so they don't get dried out, and we'll keep them covered with a lid. And we'll start rolling out our first tortilla. We're gonna put some flour down on our surface. My tortillas are never perfectly round, but they're still delicious, so we're just gonna do the best we can. And you just want to roll them as thin as you can. Okay, so as you can see, mine is definitely not perfectly round, but it's going to be okay. And I've got my skillet preheated. It's about on a 4 on my burner. So we're going to get that into the skillet. And I'm not putting any oil or anything. And while that's there, we're going to start rolling out our next one. Let's see how this is looking. That looks good. It's got a couple brown spots, so we're going to flip that over. Okay, and here's our first tortilla. It's got the little spots on there. And now we're going to get our next one in. Okay, and now it's starting to get some bubbles on here, some good bubbles, so we're going to flip that. Here's our delicious tortillas that we made today. Homemade tortillas are so good and they're so soft and flexible. You guys are going to love these. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you have a blessed day and I'll see you next time. Bye.